In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change the font on your Weebly website. If you want your site to match your brand style or simply look more modern, this guide will help you update your typography in just a few minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Weebly website. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In and log into your account. After you're inside the dashboard, select Website. Then click Edit Site to open the editor. At the top of the editor, you will see several tabs. Click on the Theme tab and in the left sidebar, select Change Fonts. This is where you control all of your website's typography. You can edit fonts for headings, paragraphs, buttons, links, and more. Just click on the text category you want to modify. From here, choose your font family, adjust the size, set the weight, and tweak the color. Take a moment to try different combinations until you find the look that best fits your brand and keeps your content easy to read. Once you're satisfied, click Done to save your changes. Before publishing, click Preview to see how everything looks live on your site. If everything matches your vision, hit Publish to update the changes for your visitors. And that's it! You've successfully changed the fonts on your Weebly website. A simple adjustment that can make a big difference in your site style and personality. Happy designing!